I don't care what anybody else says, this is the easiest way to apply makeup for beginners. Because in 5 minutes, you're gonna give yourself the most flawless looking, amazing skin. It's gonna age you backwards. Save this now and follow along. This is the easiest makeup that you can do. Perfect for makeup beginners over 40. Let's go. It takes nothing to hit that save and repost button because, girl, this is gonna help everybody. With your foundation brush, dip into your cream foundation. We're gonna brush that all over. I want you to use light tapping motions where you have large pores. And remember, this cream foundation is way different from liquid and powder. There's no dry time. There's no long blending time. We're just tapping it on and we're out the door. And once you're all blended in, look at the difference in the coverage. Look at the difference in your skin. Jump down here to your cream contour. We're gonna contour 4 places. We did our hairline. Give yourself these cheekbones, carve out this jawline, and then throw some on the sides of your nose. That's gonna give you a little teeny tiny slim nose. Right down to your cream concealer. Inner corner, outer corner. And notice how I bring this up for a lift. Down the center of your face, between your brows. And right here to add some brightness. Back with your same foundation brush. I love that Saints brushes are double-ended. I use the tiny one to get in these little tiny places on my face. P.S. Do not skip out on your foundation brush. It is the key. This is what makes your makeup application go so speedy and quick. P.S. Look how quickly cream makeup blends. There's no dry time. There's no wait time. Girl, tap, blend, and go. Honestly, doesn't get any easier than this. Up and back with your cheek contour. We want everything nice and lifted. Same thing with your hairline, up and back. When you get to your jaw, I want you to draw that down your neck. We're gonna accentuate this shadow. Never will you ever be able to say that you can't apply your makeup over 40 anymore because you can do this easy makeup, I promise. Bronzer to the perimeter of your face. And watch when you blend this in, how just pretty and glowy it looks. Bronzer adds the most beautiful warmth. Look at your face, girl. Look at your skin. Right into your blush color. I love to use this same blush and bronzer brush. Tap on your blush. And look how gorgeous that is. Fluff it out with the fluffy side. We're almost done. By the way, comment match if you want your foundation shade match. I'm gonna pick out the color that's gonna make your skin look amazing too. Grab your cream highlighter. Look how pretty that is. It's gonna give the most insanely beautiful glow. Just above where you applied your blush, tap that on, and girl, when the light hits it, it's so pretty. Use that same color that you use for your blush. You can use it for your lip. Easiest makeup in the world, multifunctional, multi-purpose. Gotta love that because, girl, we're using our contour color to fill in our brows. Watch this. I'm gonna line underneath my arch, accentuate my tail. And then just with little light hair strokes, take a look at this brush. It's like tiny and angled. It gives the perfect little hair strokes and it makes your brows just look easy and just like natural and simple and beautiful. Don't forget to come to the front and give yourself those little like realistic hair strokes in the front. The key is just to be just light and natural. Take your favorite dark eyeshadow color and we're giving ourselves a little eyeliner just lightly underneath your eye. Watch the difference. This is why I threw away my eyeliner pencil because you can get a beautiful eyeliner with just using your eyeshadow and it's not heavy and like thick and dark and it's not going to age you. It's actually light and beautiful. So if you haven't already, take your eyeliner pencil and throw it away. Of course, mascara, top and bottom, setting spray of choice. One last step and you are done. Take your pressed powder, a little triangle sponge, dip in, get the excess off on the back of your hand, and right in your inner corner, blend that up to your outer corner. And look how that just kind of mattifies, brightens your under eye. This helps to like set my under eye because, girl, over 40, we need all the help with this delicate under eye area that we can get. And you're done. Look at your skin. Look at how amazing. Honestly, you've aged yourself backwards about 10 years with cream makeup. Don't forget to comment match if you want me to pick out your perfect matching foundation shade, the one that's going to match you the closest and look like your skin tone. We want to look like ourselves when we put our makeup on.